The medium power range of Unity's RAW series includes RAW 5 and RAW 10 laser projectors, full-color diode-based laser systems for those seeking impactful aerial beam effects and the ability to project laser graphics, logos and text at a very affordable price point. The back of the laser features easy adjustments for color balancing red, green and blue lasers and a geometric correction on the X and Y axis. All the standard accessories such as cables, emergency stop safety, interlocks and keys are supplied free of charge. RAW series lasers are very compact and portable, making them easy to take from venue to venue or to travel with. All RAW series lasers are incredibly easy to set up and use. These systems are fully ILDA controllable, and the emergency stop signal can be daisy-chained across multiple devices. You can also control the laser over DMX or ArtNet using Pangolin software and FB3 or FB4 hardware. With a power output of up to 10 watts, these two models are designed for medium to large-sized indoor entertainment venues and events and smaller outdoor stages. RAW series lasers are manufactured in accordance with all IEC international standards and are certified for use in the US, EU, AU and UK. If you're in the US, we also assist with the filing of your laser show variants. If you are looking for a powerful and quality laser product with a wow factor at a very reasonable price, RAW 5 or 10 is the answer.